What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the 22 Navi. We're going to be putting in an LED light for the gauges here. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, so here is the Navi. I already did the LED headlight and tail light. That was like the first thing I did when I got it, but I didn't do the speedometer light, so it's still like a yellow light, and it looks kind of weird, to be honest with you, when you got the bright white light to the headlight and then the yellow light in the speedometer. I think it'll just look way better, and it'll be brighter with the LED light. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And don't mind the broken plastic here. That's how I got it from the dealership when I bought it new. They said it was damaged during shipping, so they ordered me a new top piece, but that'll probably be months before I get that with how these parts are seeming to be on back order. Alright, so all you're going to need to do the LED light for the speedometer are these lights here. I got these on Amazon. I think they were like 15 bucks for two. But it is the Phillips 194W LED. That is that. And you're just going to need a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm just using a little pick here to get this piece out right here. So let's start taking this apart and get that light in. Alright, so step one, we are going to take this little plastic cover out of here, and that will expose that screw there. So we're going to take that guy out, and that is literally the only tool that you're going to need. So now we'll move on to taking this plastic piece off. Alright, so that with that screw removed, we're going to go ahead and take this plastic piece off. All you're going to do is pry up on it, and it's just going to come right off. Okay, now it's loose. Now we're going to pull this front piece up and we can get that light out. Alright guys, so with the bottom of the speedometer pulled up here, we're going to be taking this brown and green wire. We're going to pull down on this little rubber grommet. Don't pull directly on the wires in case the wires come out. So, okay. If you can't get it out with your fingers, you might need to use a pick or a screwdriver to kind of pry down that rubber grommet a little bit. But once you get that out, you got the light here. We're going to pull this guy out and put in our new LED one. Alright, it works. So we're going to go ahead and put this back together, and I'll do a before and after here so you guys can see the difference between the regular light and the LED. Alright, there it is guys. This looks so much better than that yellow light, especially since I did the front LED headlight. You know, you got that white light, and then I just had this yellow light in here. It just didn't look good, and this is way brighter and makes that look so much better. So there you go guys. I hope you liked the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Check out my other videos. I got more stuff coming on the Navi and the Grom, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.